Now, we've heard of the no jab, no play law, and now there's Centrelink's no jab, no pay law.
But what happens when parents can't agree on whether their children should be vaccinated? An Australian mother is now taking action to find out. She's the Queensland mother causing widespread controversy over a fundraising page. Anna Patel is willing to do anything to stop her former partner from vaccinating their two young children, using a GoFundMe page to raise $10,000 to take him to court. Posted just a few days ago, Ms Patel explains that the 7- and 3-year-olds have never been vaccinated, an issue that remains paramount to her, and now the children's father is stepping in to change that. Their father, Anil, has revealed that despite taking a back seat on the issue in the past, he's now concerned for their health. So far, Ms Patel's public plea has raised $290, a far cry from the thousands needed to hire a lawyer. But this isn't the mother of two's first time in the spotlight. Last month, she allegedly posted on Facebook site Vaccine Free Australia, encouraging like-minded parents to lie to Centrelink in order to still receive financial benefits, defying the no jab, no pay laws that came into effect in January. Ms Patel has garnered much support from anti-vaccination campaigners, but there are thousands of parents across Australia expressing their fury, calling her behaviour despicable, irresponsible and plain crazy.
Joining us from Sydney's family lawyer Amy Jenkins and Dr Rachel Dunlop from Stop the Australian Anti-Vaccination Network. Amy, first to you. Under Australian law, the process of vaccinating children falls within the scope of pure parental responsibility. What happens in a case like this where two parents disagree?
It's quite a difficult argument that would have to be run. What would need to happen is if the parties couldn't reach agreement to either make the decision to vaccinate or not to vaccinate, the parties would then need to commence proceedings within the family court and ask for a judge to determine what is in their children's best interest and whether they should be vaccinated or not.
OK, Rachel, both parents here obviously believe what they're doing is in the best interests of the children. What can the long-term effects be of not vaccinating children in this day and age?
Well, this is the problem because in the long term, this could result in the children contracting vaccine-preventable diseases, and we've seen the resurgence of some of these diseases in recent times, like whooping cough and also measles recently in Victoria. But importantly, it poses a lifelong risk to the children. I mean, in 2011 here in Brisbane, we actually saw a 22-year-old girl die from diphtheria. Now, who's ever heard of diphtheria anymore? And this was because she hadn't been vaccinated as a child and a friend went overseas and brought the disease back to the country. So it's extremely important that we protect our children, and also as the kids go into adulthood, they need protection as well.
But Rachel, the anti-vaxxers sort of throw up all this stuff about it causes autism, it could kill a child. Now, look, life is all about risks, isn't it? And trading off risks, and life is not perfect.
Look, this is a really terrible situation for both these parents because, as you say, they both believe they're doing the right thing. But unfortunately, it seems that the mother in this case has either got the wrong information or been misinformed, because science overwhelmingly shows that vaccines are safe, effective. They're one of the most effective public health measures that we've ever invented as scientists. And so the father is really on the side of science here, and unfortunately, she's probably been misled or misinformed.
Yes, well said. Amy, let's say, I mean, this mother has only raised $290, so it's not going very well, this crowdfunding campaign, but let's say she did raise enough funds to actually take this to court. How would this play out?
Look, I'm not advising this client specifically, but what I can say is that the court would need to look at both of the parties' evidence that they brought forward. Also, the parties would need to bring forward some medical evidence. And the court would then need to make a determination based on that evidence and what the court considers to be the children's best interests. It's a very difficult case.
Yeah, it sure is. All right, ladies, thank you very much for that. Really appreciate it.